Here's 5 things to consider when you're booking in your end of year carpet clean. You're never going to guess what the last one is. Whether you're a long-time PremRest partner or just checking us out, stick around because these tips will save you time, money and headaches. Facility and property managers, it's that time of year again. End of year shutdown period is approaching. You're probably juggling budgets, schedules, the end of year cleans, try and keep your spaces sparkling. I'm Aaron from PremRest, your go-to floor cleaning experts for over 30 years of smarts under our belt. And today I've got a value-packed video for you. First off, let's talk about what really gets left behind. You know the drill with traditional hot water extraction. It's what we talk about a lot here. That's the general go-to for many of the general cleaners. Here's the eye-opener. Hot water extraction only extracts about 75% of the water and the chemicals that are used out of the carpet. That means 25% stays soaked in your carpet, slowly drying over the 72 hours. And get this, tests on the extracted water show it's 10 times more toxic than sewage. Imagine leaving a quarter of that nasty toxic stuff lingering in the fibers of your carpet. Now flip to our encapsulation method at PremRest. We remove 98.5% of bacteria, allergens, pollutants, dirt, grime, all without flooding your carpet. It's like giving your floors a deep detox that's safe and effective. Why would you settle for soggy toxic when you can go clean and green, right? Moving on to number 2. Ever had those pesky stains that resurface just a week or 2 after you've had your big clean? It's a common headache we hear from facility managers with general cleaners who don't specialize in floors. Their teams might only tackle these hot water extraction jobs once or twice a year, and it's a tricky task. Too much water, you're pushing the dirt and grime and stains deep into the backing, only for them to wick back up as it dries. And the leftover 20% water that we talked about, it's carrying sticky chemical residues that attract new dirt like a magnet once traffic resumes. At PremRest, our dedicated floor technicians do this every day. They use our encapsulation chemical, and not only does the gunk get removed, but it includes a polymer that repels new contaminants. An extra oomph that acts sort of like a protective film stopping stains from penetrating the fibers. So you can say goodbye to quick resoiling and hello to floors that stay fresher for longer. Number 3, mold risk. Nobody wants that surprise in their carpets. And with hot water extraction's long 72-hour drying time, especially during your shutdowns when buildings are quiet, HVAC's turned off, moisture can hang around, inviting mold and mildew to crash the scene. Less foot traffic means fibers aren't getting moved, trapping that dampness even more. But with PremRest encapsulation, your carpets are touch dry in just 45 to 60 minutes. That's lightning fast, slashing that window for nasties to grow. We keep things low moisture from the start so that you can reopen with confidence, knowing your space is mold-free and ready for action. On to number 4, that lingering wet carpet smell. We all know what wet carpet smells like, and shutdown periods mean buildings go still, no people, traffic, open doors or windows to whisk away the odors. Hot water extraction can leave that musky, unpleasant scent that sticks around, greeting your team like an unwelcome guest when they return. And if general cleaners use scented chemicals, you might even get complaints about headaches from overpowering perfumes. PremRest's encapsulation dries within 45 to 60 minutes with zero smell. Our chemicals are odorless by design, so there's no funky aromas, no staff complaints, just fresh, clean air. It's the thoughtful touch that keeps everyone happy and productive from day one back in the office. And now the one thing that you'll never believe. Are you ready for it? Number 5, relying on just one big clean a year is actually shortening your carpet's lifespan. Think about it. All year long, grime and grit grind away at those fibers under constant foot traffic, wearing them down like sandpaper. Then, hitting it with a harsh, deep clean once annually adds more stress to those fibers, especially with hot water extraction's aggressive approach. Over time, this means pricier cleans the older and the dirtier the carpet gets, and too early replacements, a massive hit to your budgets. Carpets are warranted for 15 years in most cases, and we've seen them last that long and longer. But because of this once a year approach to cleaning, facilities are often ripping and replacing every 5 to 7 years, and that's expensive. But here's the game changer. Switching up to a regular maintenance program with encapsulation, we target high traffic spots throughout the year, keeping dirt at bay without the need for intense annual overhauls. It's gentler on fibres, extends your carpet's lifespan, and saves you big in the long run by investing small now in consistent care and avoiding those hefty replacement costs later. Who knew skipping the yearly drama could make your assets last longer? There you have it, 5 game-changing considerations for your end-of-year carpet clean. And I bet you didn't think the last one would be not to consider an end-of-year clean at all. At Premrest, we're all about blending expert know-how with a fun, no-fuss approach to keep your floors beautiful. If you're ready to ditch the old ways and embrace encapsulation for your shutdown success, drop us a line. We can get you started for an end-of-year clean and move you through a program for the rest of your maintenance. Visit premrest.com.au or call us today. Let's make your next clean the best one yet.